Hello and welcome. Today we will look at fixing broken scripts added in yesterday's update for mods. So we have a mod that have a broken script. Broken scripts means that a component used a script that is now removed by base game, and we need to replace it with a new one. So let's start with doing a copy. So we have 2 copies. We open the copy and we will remove the broken script, and we will add the new labeled entity spec. There you go. Now we have one fixed. We could add in manually each field. The icon is the path to where the icon is located. But we can also do it in a more batch mode. We drag it in. And what we want to do is search for display name in each of the files. So the first one is the one that is broken, and the second one is where we fixed it. So we can see that this line is different between them. So let's copy this line that is fixed and replace the reference here, and let's save it. If we now go back and check, the labeled entity spec is now fixed with our old parameters. Now we just need to add the path. And there we go. I have the icon there. We don't need the second one anymore. We can delete that. And I will also fix the next one. If we want to do this as a batch, if we do a replace of the old values and replace it with the new one, we can do it for all files that are opened. So let's go to another building that is broken. Just staircase icons. And let's go for pillar staircase. You can even go for them all. Show folder, search for prefab, take everyone and edit. Here we have our fixed. Search for display name. Here we have the fault one. We search for that and we copy that and we replace with that. replace all open and save all. If we now look, okay, we have some other script also that is broken, but that I will look at later. It could be that fix prefab components. Nope. Another one that I need to try to sort out what it did. You can see I also have it in staircase. In this case, compared the log staircase with a base game item, it's only some of the parameters. So in this case, I will check and try to find what component is missing on my modded building. And then I know what this failed script is. So hope this helps. Bye.